Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Princess. Today I'm gonna design clothes and accessories with slime. The reason why I like it because it's extra stretchy. It's mess-free, and you can roll it and pat it and stretch it. You can play with it for hours and hours and hours. And it's really relaxing too. Let's get started. And also, where we bought it from Lakeshore. It's really, really good. There's red, blue, yellow, purple, orange, and green. We have 6 colors. Now the first color that we're going to do is purple. My favorite color. This is Tiana. Look at the slime. Now we get our slime, and we're just going to design it. Do you like it so far? And now we're all done. The style that I'm gonna call this is, I'm gonna call it the purple pretty outfit. It looks so nice. So now we're done and we can sit it down over here. And now I have a Ken doll. And Ken is gonna have a different color. But make sure you don't mix the slime up. He's gonna And then after patting it down and doing everything, don't worry if the slime gets stuck a little bit. And if you also need help, you can ask the grown-up. If you want a style and you don't know how to, just think about it in your brain and then just start to do it, and it might turn out how you want it. If it doesn't, it's okay. You can always try again. Never ever give up. So now you're finished. Ken has a nice outfit. He's gonna go enjoy. Make sure they're spread out. Okay, we only have 2 dolls left. Oh. Now we have Abrina here. Hi guys! Abrina, I'm gonna this is called the yellow butterfly outfit. Or it can also be the gold outfit. Now, our last one. We have 3 more colors. 2. It's up to these 3. Which one will I pick? And I will pick orange. Now we put these 2 colors away over here. Wow, I really like this outfit. Ooh, and this is also a nice party. Yeah, it's so much fun. You're really enjoying it. And I really like our bracelets and our dresses. And also other things too. Yeah, this is really good. I really like it, especially my bracelet. Nice bracelet. Really. Yes, and I love this style. I have been dreaming to have it. This is a nice party, guys. Yeah. Really fun. It's super. Guys, don't you like the outfit that I gave you? Yes, they all love it. And so I hope you enjoy this video. And I hope you do well. Friends, look at this beautiful outfits. Don't you like that? Now, if you don't have any clothes, or want something new, you can always use slime. It's a good way. And yeah, nice to play with, like I said. And just make sure you don't mix the slime up, because that won't be good. That won't be good. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy your day.